Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach new syllabus 8th standard contents for English medium students. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. Definitely you will be benefited and you will learn more. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Good morning students. Today we are going to continue exercise 1.1 question 8 to 15 sums. 8th sum. Use the method of average to write two rational numbers between 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. In this we use one formula. The average of A and B is of into A plus B. Here what is A? Our 14 by 5 is A and 16 by 3 is B. So here C1 means first number, first rational number. Of into 14 by 5 plus 16 by 3, we find the LCM 5, 3 cross multiply 15. So 14 3s are 42 plus 5 16s are 80. So we get it 122 by 2 into 15 30 and cancel it with the 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 15 and 6 2s are 12 and 1 2 is 2. Therefore, we get it C1 equal to 61 by 15. After C2 equal to of into A plus whatever our C1. So, of into 14 by 5 A plus our C1 is 61 by 15. So 5 comma 15 you find the LCM. 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15 and 3 1 comma 3 is 1 time. So 5 into 3 15 is our LCM. So 15 in 5 3 times. So 14 into 3 42 plus 15 in 15 1 time. So 61 into 1 61. So add it 42 plus 61 we get it 103 by 2 into 15 30. So 103 by 30. So two rational numbers are 103 by 30 and 61 by 50. Eighth sum. Compare the following pairs of rational numbers. Here given minus 11 by 5 comma minus 21 by 8. Here denominators are different. 5 is not divisible by 8, so you can directly multiply the denominator. 5 into 8 is 40. So minus 11 by 5. So we need the product 40. So we can multiply numerator and denominator 8 by 8. So we get it minus 88 by 40. And minus 21 by 8 also we need the product 40. So multiply 5 by 5. So minus 21 into 5 minus 105 by 40. So in that number line you see 0, here minus 88 by 40 and here minus 105 by 40. So here if we go to the right hand side it is bigger. You see here positive integer. So 1 and 2 if it goes right side it is greater means minus 88 by 40 is greater. So minus 88 by 40 means what is the corresponding number? Minus 11 by 5 is greater. Second sum 3 by minus 4 comma minus 1 by 2. Here 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. 2 2s are 4, 1s are 2. Again 2, 1 comma 4. Because 2 is divisible in 4. So our LCM is 4. So given some minus 3 by minus 4 means into 1 by 1 only. So we get it minus 3 by 4. And minus 1 by 2 means we need the product 4 means multiply 2 by 2 in numerator and denominator. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 by 2 into 2 4. So 3 by minus 4 means we can write it as minus 3 by 4. Here minus 2 by 4 means first we do the number line 0. Here minus 2 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. Here which is greater? Go to the right hand side, that is minus 2 by greater. What is the corresponding of minus 2 by 4? Minus 1 by 2. Therefore minus 1 by 2 is greater. Third one, 2 by 3 comma 4 by 5. Here denominators 3 and 5. So here also 3 is not at all divisible by 5. So you directly multiply 3 into 5 is 15. So first number 2 by 3, we need 15 means multiply numerator and denominator 5 by 5. So 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. First one. Second one, 4 by 5 equal to, we need 15 the product, so multiply 3 by 3. Otherwise you cross multiply, that also will give the same answer. So 4 into 3, 12 by 15. So in that number line you see 0, here 10 by 15, here 12 by 15. So here it goes right hand side means 12 by 15 is greater. 12 by 15 corresponding number here 4 by 5. So therefore 4 by 5 is greater. Ninth sum. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending, small to big. Descending, big to small. So given rational numbers, write it. Here you see the denominator 12, 8, 24, 9, 36. So first you find out the LCM. 12, 8, 24, 9, 36. So first we can do it with 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 12s are 24. 9 as it is you write it because it is not divisible by 2. And 1 2 is 2. 8 2s are 16. Again do it with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. 9 as it is and 9 2s are 18. Again do it with 3. 1 3 is 3. 2 as it is you write it. 3 2s are 3 table, that's why you put it 2. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again 2 table. 1 1 2 is 2. 1 3 as it is put. Last 3 1 1 1 1 1. So multiply 2 into 2 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 3s are 72. So our LCM is 72. So minus 5 by 12, write it. We need the product 72 means multiply 6 by 6. So minus 5 into 6 minus 30 by 72. Next minus 11 by 8 means we need 72 means multiply 9 by 9. So minus 11 into 9 minus 99 by 72. Next minus 15 by 24. 24 into 3 is 72. So therefore multiply 3 by 3. Next minus 7 by minus 9 means you cancel numerator and denominator minus. So remaining 7 by 9 is there. So 8 by 8 you multiply, you get it 56 by 72. And 12 by 36 also, 36 into 2 is 72. So multiply 2 by 2. 24 by 72. So here our numbers minus 30 by 72, minus 30 by 72, minus 99 by 72, minus 45 by 72, 56 by 72 and 24 by 72. So here first ascending order means what do you write? Ascending order small to big. So here which number is very small here? minus 99, only the small. So minus 99, so you write it minus 99 by 72 after minus 45 by 72 and minus 30 by 72 and 24 by 72 and 56 by 72. This is ascending order. So you write the corresponding number. So minus 79 by 72 means what is the corresponding number? Minus 11 by 8. Minus 11 by 8, comma, next minus 15 by 24, minus 5 by 12, comma, 12 by 36, comma, minus 7 by minus 9. This is ascending order. Descending order means reverse. First one minus 7 by minus 9, comma, 12 by 36, comma, minus 5 by 12, comma, minus 15 by 24, comma, minus 11 by 8. Second sum, minus 17 by 10, comma, minus 7 by 5, comma, 0, comma, minus 2 by 4, comma, minus 19 by 20. So different denominator we can find LCM. So LCM 10, comma, 5, comma, 4, comma, 20. So first two table, 5 2s are 10, 5 not divisible as it is write it, 4 2s are 4, 10 2s are 20. 5, 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5, 2 write it as such, and 2 5s are 10. Again 2 table, 1 comma, 1 comma, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20 is LCM. So minus 17 by 10 we can multiply 2 by 2, we get it 20. So minus 17 into 2, minus 34 by 20. Minus 7 by 5 means we need the product 20 means we can multiply 4 by 4. 5 into 4, 20. So minus 28 by 20. Minus 2 by 4 means multiply 5 by 5, we get the product here 20. So minus 10 by 20. And minus 19 by 20 is equal to minus 19 by 20. So we can find the ascending order. Ascending order which is smaller. Minus 34 by 20 only the smaller. So minus 34 by 10, not 10, minus 34 by 20, comma, minus 28 by 20, after minus 19 by 20 and minus 10 by 20. Last number 0. So you write the corresponding of ascending order, minus 17 by 10, minus 7 by 5, minus 19 by 20, minus 2 by 4, last 0. Descending order, reverse it, 0, comma, minus 10 by 20, minus 19 by 20, minus 28 by 20, minus 34 by 20. So you write the corresponding, that is minus 0, minus 2 by 4, minus 19 by 20, minus 7 by 5, minus 17 by 10. Next 10th sum. The number which is subtracted from minus 6 by 11 to get 8 by 9 is. So from after whatever the number you take it first one. The number means that is x. Subtracted you put the symbols minus. We get that 8 by 9 means equal to 8 by 9. And after minus x will go to the right hand side means it will come plus x. plus 8 by 9 minus 8 by 9. So, and after different denominator, so 11 into 9, 99. 99 in 11, 6 times. So, minus 6 into 9. Here, we take it this minus plus means next number additive inverse. So, plus 8 by 9 means minus 8. And 99 in 9, 11 times. So, minus 8 into 11. So, minus 6 into 9, 54 plus minus 8 into 11, minus 88. So, same sign means add and put a minus sign. So, add the number 54 plus 88, 142. So, minus 142 by 99 is the answer. Next, which of the following pair is equivalent? That is 11th sum. Here, pair is equivalent. So, minus 20 by 12. Minus 20 by 12. So, if we divide, if you cancel, divide or cancel. So, if you cancel it means we can get it a 3 4s are 12 minus 5 by 3 is not equal to 5 by 3. So, this option is not correct. 16 by minus 3 means cancel it, 8 2s are 16, 15. So, minus 8 by 15 minus 8 by 15. Correct answer. So, you don't want to see the other option. Second option is correct. That is equivalent. Minus 5 by 4 is a rational number which lies between. So, 5 divided by 4. So, 1 4 is 4. 5 minus 4, 1. So, 1 1 by 4. Here minus 5 by 4 means minus 1 1 by 4. Therefore, the number lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Next, 14th sum. Which of the following rational number is the greatest? For this, we have to find out the LCM of all the denominators. That is 24, 16, 8, 32. So, 2 table, 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, 8 and 1 2 is to 6 2s are 12. Again 2. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Again 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Again 2. 3 as such. 1, 1 and 2. 2, 3 as such. 1, 1, 1. Last 3 table. 1, 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 into 3, 96. So LCM 96. So take the first number minus 17 by 24. If you multiply by 4, we get it 96. So multiply 4 by 4. Minus 17 into 4 minus 68. Next, minus 13 by 16 means 16 into 6 is 96. Therefore, multiply 6 by 6. So, denominator minus 78 by 96 here. Next, 7 by minus 8 means 8 12s are 96. So, 12 by 12. So, minus 7 into 12 minus 84. Next, minus 31 by 32 means 32 into 3 is 96. So, 3 by 3. Minus 93 by 96. In these, the greatest number is minus 68 by 96. Therefore, minus 17 by 24 is the answer. The sum of the digits of the denominator in the simplest form. So, given 112 by 528. So, first you divide or cancel 8 by 8, we get it 14 by 66. That is 8 is 8, 8 is 8, 4 8s are 32. Next 6 8s are 48, remaining 4 48, so 66 will come. Next cancel with the 2 table, 7 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, so 7 by 33. Here asking the question sum of the digits of the denominator, so 3 plus 3 equal to 6 is the answer. Thank you students, we will see in the next exercise, next class.